Good evening, everyone, and welcome to today's session of NutriLift 360. I'm your host, Ruchita, and today we are going to discuss a very essential topic carbs. We understand that carbs are essential, but which is the right carb and how much should we be consuming? What is the essence of GI and GL in carbs? And what is the role of fiber for our gut? All this and so much more. To start the session, it is my honor and privilege to introduce Farooq Tarapur. He, ladies and gentlemen, is a two-time world champion in sailing. He's had an active sporting career of 40 years. He's won innumerable awards, including the Chhatrapati Shivaji Award and the Arjuna Award. But most importantly, he's a mentor to each and every one of us on the group with the mission Har Ghar Healthy, Har Ghar Medicine Free. Let's welcome him onto this virtual stage and listen to him very, very carefully. Over to you, Farooq.
Thank you, Ruchita. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to this exciting Monday session. Health is your biggest asset. Unfortunately, people only realize it when they lose it. So, communities like these, sessions like these are very, very important. I'll give you a very simple example. If you got a nice, tasty dessert, in front of you, it's very likely that you will eat it. But if you've been on this community and you've been coming onto these sessions over and over and over again, it is very likely that you may eat it, but you will control the quantity of the amount that you are eating. And that makes a huge difference overall, in your overall health. That when you come to sessions like this, you start learning, what is good for you and what is bad for you. Now, the strange thing, what I've noticed is that you don't attend some of these sessions for 3 or 4 weeks, and it's very easy for somebody to slip back to the original routine. So repetition is the mother of all teaching, and repetition is important because if things are told over and over and over again, it tends to have not only a conscious effect on your mind, but also a subconscious effect on your mind, which plays a huge role in controlling your mindset. Health is all about mindset. Okay, if you can control your mindset, and if you have sufficient knowledge, okay, to realize, what's good for you and what's not good for you, you have found the safest way to health. Today you're very fortunate because you got somebody, okay, who's turned her life around, he turned her health around in such a way that you won't even believe. Most people cannot even imagine that a transformation of this nature is even possible. So listen to Deepika very carefully because she will share with you, sufficient knowledge, about glycemic index, the glycemic load, of carbs, how to use them, how effectively. It's not that, that you must not eat carbs. Carbs are required, but in what quantity, how much, and when will all be covered today. So listen to Deepika very carefully because what she has to share will have a significant impact on not only your health, but the health of your friend and family. So over to you, Deepika.
Thank you so much, Farooq. Good evening, everybody. Hello, 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 and welcome back. We meet after a very, very long time indeed. But it's great to be back on this platform. It's great to be talking to you all. And like Farooq just कहते हैं ना नब्स पकड़ ली बात की, that's exactly what he has done. That when you are not attending 1, 2, 3, 4 sessions, Ruchita, if you could just share the presentation for me, thank you. So when you don't attend 1, 2, 3, 4 sessions, you suddenly become comfortable in not attending these sessions. Do you know why? Because somewhere we start doing things that we are not supposed to, and attending these sessions, being constantly active on the group, when you stop sharing your plates, somehow you get comfortable not doing that, because that way you can probably get into that comfort zone of eating what you want to, whenever you want to, as much as you want to, so on and so forth. But today again, one of my favorite topics for sure, and a very, very interesting topic. We're going to be learning about carbohydrates, we're going to be learning about fiber. Uh, इतना ज्ञान है social media पे about carbs and keto and this and that. All of that may not be true. All of that may not be right for you, given your lifestyle, given your age, given your profile, given your background, given what you do in a day. It is always, always important to follow a program which is customized to yourself, customized to your body type, customized to your age, to your health concerns. Which cultural background do you belong to? Because that also speaks volumes about what you may be consuming. So, yes, for me, a Punjabi girl having a Punjabi background, we live to eat literally. For me, this entire program was a game changer because, like Farooq rightly says, ऐसा नहीं है कि हम distract नहीं होते, people who are a part of this program for a very long time now. But there is some some whiplash at the back of our minds which keeps telling us कि okay, आज वो बर्फी का टुकड़ा खा लिया है, what is it am I going to do that I can negate its effect in the next 48 to 72 hours? So that whiplash is very important, 24/7, just so that you can attain a good health. You can your body is attuned to having a good immunity and staying that way always. Okay, so let's begin. Ruchita, I see a gray screen. Okay, thank you so much. So let's talk about the effects of nutrients. Is this the first slide, Ruchita?
Yeah.
ओके ग्रेट. सो हम क्यों कह रहे हैं, क्या क्या असर होता है न्यूट्रिशन का जो आप खाते हो ऑन योर ब्लड ग्लूकोज ओवर द टाइम? अ वेरी सिंपल डिपिक्शन ऑफ हाउ blood glucose or blood sugar spikes when you're having a carbohydrate rich meal vis-a-vis when you're having a protein rich meal vis-a-vis when you're having a fat rich meal. When the green color spike is carbohydrate, what happens the moment you consume carbohydrates? There's a sudden spike in your blood sugar. Ekdam se there is an energy burst, and ekdam se there is an energy crash also. As a result, what happens when your diet is very carb rich? I'm not talking about simple or complex carbs right now. I'm just talking about simple carbohydrates. When it's very carbohydrate dense and rich, you will see a sudden burst of energy, and you'll be up and about doing everything, but there's a sudden crash in your blood glucose also. Hence we say that compared to carbohydrates, when you have a protein dense diet and a fat dense diet, less of fat, because fat अच्छे हैं but बहुत ज़्यादा fat नहीं अच्छे होते. So when you have a protein rich diet, it reduces or it slows down the spike of sugar or glucose in your blood, which is very important. It rises very slowly and it comes down very slowly. It takes a longer time for your body to digest protein. It takes a longer time for your body to gives you a longer satiety when you have a very protein rich diet. Similarly, when you include moderate amount of fats along with your meals that you're having, they will also have a significant impact in lowering or slowing the spike of blood glucose in your system. Next slide, Ruchita. Next slide, Ruchita, if you could.
Sorry, some issue. I'll just
No
reshare.
problem. No problem. You can unshare and reshare. Okay, so most of the people feel like me. I used to always feel that, if I have carb-rich diet, or if I completely eliminate carbs from my life, I will, probably attain my wishful and the weight that I was looking for. And thankfully, very soon, because of the information that we get on this group, because of the training we attended, I realized that if I completely eliminate that, I am putting my body under severe shock. Because when you do that, your body comes under a very, very threat kind of a mode, and your body starts reacting to it much more differently than we actually think. कि अच्छा ठीक है, carbs हटा दिए तो अब एकदम से weight loss होना शुरू हो जाएगा. There are a lot of other hidden, things that start happening in your body. There's a severe muscle loss. I personally can vouch for it. One needs to be very careful when you're talking about carbs. So coming back to what are carbohydrates? Organic compounds हैं, they are made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. ये हमारी बॉडी का प्राइमरी सोर्स है। हमारी बॉडी जहाँ से एनर्जी ड्रॉ करती है टू रन इट्स डेली फंक्शंस, इट्स मेटाबॉलिक फंक्शंस, इट्स फिजियोलॉजिकल functions, it needs sufficient amount of carbs to run that smoothly. These are essential nutrients. इनके forms क्या होते हैं? Sugar, fiber and starches. Next slide please. Predominantly, okay. कैसे ये हमारे बॉडी को, दैट्स ओके, कम टू नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। कैसे ये हमारी बॉडी को फ्यूल करते हैं? अ सिंपल पिक्टोरियल रिप्रेजेंटेशन। जब आप खाना खाते हो, यू कंज्यूम कार्ब्स, दे आर ब्रोकन डाउन बाय द प्रोसेस कॉल्ड डाइजेशन इनटू सिंपल शुगर्स। ये शुगर है जो हमारी बॉडी को एनर्जी देती है, बट ये इन इट्स रॉ फॉर्म, दिस इज नॉट हाउ इट कैन एक्चुअली गिव एनर्जी टू योर बॉडी। इट गेट्स एब्जॉर्ब्ड इनटू योर ब्लड स्ट्रीम इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ग्लूकोज। नाउ ये ग्लूकोज जो है आपके सेल्स तक पहुंचने के लिए, इट नीड्स अ राइडर, इट पिगीबैक्स ऑन अ हार्मोन कॉल्ड इंसुलिन व्हिच इज secreted by your pancreas. Unless and until your pancreas is secreting this hormone called insulin, this sugar will not be able to piggyback on that and enter your cell wall. So hence, simply put, अगर आपका pancreas, because of your lifestyle, because of the way you live, because of inactivity, because of late night foods, because of etc., if your pancreas stops producing insulin or does not produce enough insulin for your body for this glucose to ride and get into the cell wall, that is when we say that the blood sugar has increased, because this sugar now it constantly starts circulating in your bloodstream because it doesn't get the permission to enter the cells and be used as an energy source. So very, very important to keep your pancreatic health in place so that you don't fall susceptible to this. These cells, they use this glucose as fuel. That isn't used, which is not, whatever is not used gets stored as fat. So next slide, please. Okay, दो तरह के carbs होते हैं. I slightly mentioned, one is simple carbs, one is complex carbs. Complex carbs उतने complex नहीं हैं. Complex carbs are your friends. Why are they your friends? Simple carbs are your sugar, in any form up. You're having colas and you're having honey and you're having sugar, jaggery. North में the people say, हम खांड खाते हैं. Khand is also sugar, at the end of the day it has same. गुड़, खांड, शुगर, जैगरी, जो भी आप कह लीजिए, हनी कह लीजिए, at the end of the day the structure is the same, it is simple sugar. Complex carbs होते हैं आपके दो forms में. One is starches, which are usually your baked goods, your entire patisserie range that you look for, and the others are fibers, basically your ground vegetables that are usually grown underground, and some of the other vegetables as well. Next slide please. Okay, now health benefits क्या हैं? Just give me a second guys, I'm sorry. हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स क्या है कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्ब्स के? सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट जो हमें लगता है, आपका वेट मैनेजमेंट बहुत अच्छा होता है इससे. क्यों? वी विल कम टू दैट लेटर. इट इंक्रीजेस योर मेटाबॉलिक हेल्थ, द रेट एट विच योर बॉडी बर्न्स कैलोरीज. ये उसको ऊपर लेके जाता है. फॉर द सेम एक्टिविटी दैट यू आर डूइंग अर्लियर एंड कंज्यूमिंग मोर ऑफ सिंपल कार्ब्स, इफ यू इंक्लूड कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्ब्स इन योर डाइट, for the same activity your body will burn more calories. It really helps maintain your blood sugar levels. कैसे help करता है? Because it helps in slower absorption of sugars in the food and delayed absorption of sugar, and hence आपके blood stream में sugar बहुत जल्दी नहीं घुलती है. It really helps in your heart health. We'll just study in the coming slides how it helps. Next slide, Ruchita. Okay. Carbohydrate dominated plate आज के टाइम में, if I look at people India, our major plate is full of carbohydrates and most of it is simple carbohydrates. पहली बात तो simple carbohydrates बहुत कम होने चाहिए. complex carbohydrates भी moderation में होने चाहिए. recommendation ये है कि आपकी जो calorie intake है, supposing it's a 1500 calorie intake that you are recommended, 1/4 of it should be coming from grains. आज की डेट में almost 50% of our calorie intake in India is coming from carbs or from whole grains. So you can imagine we are already consuming double the amount. Calorie share of cereal is as high as 70%. Processed food, which should be almost, I mean, 0.00 some percent is 10% of your average calorie intake. I mean, I still remember, and I know that my parents talk that when they were kids, they would go to a bakery with, flour and everything. They would get biscuits baked and stuff like that. Look at the scenario today. Today, everything that we are consuming out of packets. It's processed, it's gone undergone at least 2 to 3 different processing steps before it reaches our table. Urban household which have the highest income group, they consume 30% of their daily calorie from processed foods. And people like you and me who are living in Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, etc., etc., I am sure that you will relate to it when I say कि हमारा 30% कैलोरी इनटेक प्रोसेस्ड फूड से आ रहा है, राइट फ्रॉम the milk that you use in the morning, which may be a packet milk, which may be a Tetra Pak milk for your teas and coffees. We start our consuming processed food right from that moment itself. Next slide, please. ओके, अ सिंपल बाइफरकेशन के आपको क्यों ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्ब्स कंज्यूम करने चाहिए एंड लेस सिंपल कार्ब्स, वी जस्ट हेल्पिंग यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्ब्स हेल्प यू एंड हाउ सिंपल कार्ब्स कैन काइंड ऑफ हैम्पर योर वेल-बीइंग इफ कंज्यूम्ड बियॉन्ड मॉडरेशन. कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्ब्स लॉन्ग चेन शुगर मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं, बहुत टाइम लगाते हैं डाइजेस्ट होने में, तो आपको सेटाइटी की फीलिंग ज़्यादा रहती है, फीलिंग ऑफ बीइंग फुल काफ़ी टाइम तक रहती है. Hence, you will not, look for a snack before the next meal. It is definitely less processed because abhi bhi, Indians are still understanding and opening up to consuming complex carbs. Although we've been a millet dominant country all our lives, it is definitely very high in your dietary fiber because it is in its whole form. It has higher antioxidants and vitamins. It gives you a lot more energy. It improves your metabolic rate, and your carrots and whole grain, banana, oats, brown rice are a classic example of complex carbs. सिंपल कार्ब शॉर्ट चेन फैटी एसिड, शॉर्ट चेन शुगर मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं, बहुत जल्दी आपके सिस्टम में डाइजेस्ट हो जाते हैं, हेंस आपको भूख जल्दी लगती है, हेंस आप स्नैकिंग बहुत ज़्यादा करेंगे. इट विल रैपिडली increase your blood sugar. Predominantly, if we look at simple carbs, they are more processed. They would not have the fiber that that gets completely eliminated to make it more appealing and looks wise aesthetically more pleasing. It definitely lowers your performance because there is a sudden rise and crash of sugar. It is definitely comparatively lower in antioxidants. Classic example is your soda, your bakery items and cereals and those flavored waters and energy drinks, etc. Next slide, please. Okay. Uh, Coming from carbohydrates to this concept called glycemic index to glycemic load. Very, very, very important. I found it really interesting in particular because my mom is a diabetic, and हमें हमेशा होता है कि okay, don't eat mango, don't eat watermelon, don't eat this, don't eat that. Because why? Because इसका glycemic index high है. क्या होता है glycemic index versus glycemic load? We will just read in the next slide. But this is a classic example. There's a watermelon. We say the glycemic index is, just go back to the previous slide, Ruchita. Yeah, we say that the glycemic index of watermelon is 80, one serving. One complete watermelon is 80. However, one serving of watermelon has a glycemic load of 5. So what is the difference between these two? Next slide, please. ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स क्या है? ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स बेसिकली एक मेजरिंग सिस्टम है जो ये बताता है कि ये खाना खाने से, ये पर्टिकुलर आइटम खाने से उसका जो कार्बोहाइड्रेट का जो शुगर है वो कितनी जल्दी मेरे शुगर लेवल्स को बढ़ा देगा. कंपेयर आप उसका एक बेसिक रेफरेंस फूड अगर आप ले लें, वाइट ब्रेड ले लें, तो इट इज़ मेजर्ड ऑन अ स्केल ऑफ 0 to 100. ग्लाइसेमिक लोड किसी भी चीज़ का होता है कि जो आप खा रहे हो उस कार्बोहाइड्रेट की क्वालिटी कैसी है और वो कितनी देर से शुगर को स्पाइक करेगा और कितना स्लोली उसको रिड्यूस करेगा. सो इट्स द क्वालिटी ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट इन दैट फूड. इट प्रोवाइड्स मोर एक्यूरेट असेसमेंट के blood sugar levels compared to a glycemic index. So next time when, if God forbid, if anybody is diabetic, and even if you're not, it is far more important to understand the glycemic load of that food item that you're eating vis-a-vis the glycemic index. In the next slide, now we'll show you a comparative analysis as to which food items that we see ke, okay. Before we move to the comparative analysis, ये एक पिक्टोरियल रिप्रेजेंटेशन है कि अगर एक लो ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स का आप आइटम खा रहे हो, that is a very very slow release in, in your garden. You have a fountain which is very at a very slow speed releasing water and releasing it very sustainably. On the other side, there's a sudden burst of water when you have a high glycemic index food. Suddenly खूब सारा पानी आएगा और फिर बंद हो जाएगा. Similarly, in your bloodstream, suddenly there will be a big spike of sugar and then it will come crashing down. Next slide, please. Okay, now this is a beautiful slide. Please take a shot of it, because this slide will help you understand that how misguided we are when it comes to the food that we consume. How much, things and these, stickers on the food labels actually mislead us. White rice का glycemic index 73 है, but उसका glycemic load सिर्फ 17 है. 90% दुनिया जिनसे मैं बात करती हूँ, पीपल बी लाइक, नहीं हम चावल नहीं खाते, हम डायबिटिक हैं, हम ये नहीं खाते, हम डायबिटिक हैं, हम ये चाय फीकी पियेंगे, हम डायबिटिक हैं, साथ में हम रस जरूर खा लेंगे. दैट्स अ नॉर्मल जोक दैट वी डू. ब्राउन राइस glycemic index 68, glycemic load only 16. Whole wheat bread. Now this there's a, usually there is a discussion about the whole wheat bread. Usually on the group people say we are having this whole wheat bread. Please understand, if you can source your whole wheat bread from some place where you know that it is being made out of whole wheat, then definitely consume it. Packaged whole wheat bread has a lot of emulsifiers, has a lot of food coloring, has a lot of, these items which give it the look that it has, without actually it being having the fibers, the complex carbs that it is supposed to have. But if you can bake it at home, or if you can source it from the right sources, please have, because its glycemic load is only 9. White bread also, from 71 glycemic index, glycemic load is only 10. Look at, probably, let's look at something which is more interesting. Look at banana. People really fear, oh, I'm diabetic, I can't have banana, it's very high in sugar. Moderation is the key, ladies and gentlemen. A banana has only a glycemic load of 12, and it is also very rich in fibers. So you can have, but look at this chart. We have enough, tools available to us in terms of the apps that can tell you कि इसका glycemic index कितना है, glycemic load कितना है. Eat more, but eat wisely. You have the option to eat better. If rather, I should not say more, I should say better. Eat better and eat wisely. Next slide, please. Okay. What we strongly recommend for people who love rice, but they have their own reservations ke nahi khana. Sorry. That is this BFAC low GI rice. इसका glycemic index बहुत कम है. You can have, it's got a 52 glycemic index. You can have it in moderation. You can enjoy every single day. And we strongly recommend that. Please speak to the person who's invited you here. They can actually help you order this for yourself and your family. Next slide, please. Okay. Now, carbs to set your body clock. How can you leverage on the qualities of carbs and the importance of carbs to set your body clock? It will help you improve your work efficiency. अगर आप टाइम से खा रहे हैं, it will reduce your feeling fatigued and sleepy all the time. It will lower your stress hormones. It will reduce the effects of excessive or average workload. डेफिनेटली आपकी इंसुलिन सेंसिटिविटी को इम्प्रूव करता है. लाइक आई रिपीटेडली सेड, if you're having the right kind of carbs, and if you're having it in the right portion control, it will delay the rise or the spike in blood sugar, and also delay the coming down of blood sugar, because it has a lot of it's nutrient dense. Hence it will help you even control calories, because you will not snack too often if you have ensured your optimum amount of carb intake. It improves your fat oxidation, जो आपकी metabolic health के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. आपकी mental performance बहुत significantly improve होती है, because our brain needs carbs to optimally perform, give its best performance. आपकी memory improve होती है, your alertness levels increase, and your responsiveness is much faster and much more ideal. Next slide, please. Okay. Now, men versus women, how much fiber should you take? So carbs हमने पढ़ा, complex carbs, and then we understood what glycemic load versus glycemic index is. Let's talk about fibers. Now, fibers, uh, men need different amount of it, women need different amount of it. Also, depending upon what their lifestyle is. So if men have a sedentary lifestyle, their daily fiber requirement would be about 30 grams per day. If it's moderate kind of a lifestyle, their requirement would be 40. And if it's heavy, then their requirement will be 50. For women, if they have a sedentary, requirement is 25. If they're moderate, requirement is 30. And if they have a very work intensive kind of a lifestyle, their requirement per day of fiber is 40. क्या होते हैं फाइबर्स, कितने टाइप के होते हैं, इनके क्या हमारे लिए बेनिफिट्स हैं, लेट्स जस्ट स्टडी इन द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. ओके, दो तरह के फाइबर्स होते हैं, सॉल्युबल और इनसॉल्युबल. अगर आप किसी स्कूल में जाते हुए सेकेंड या थर्ड क्लास के बच्चे को भी पूछोगे तो ही विल बी एबल टू टेल यू द डिफरेंस जस्ट बाय लुकिंग एट द category. Soluble fibers are the ones which are dissolvable, which dissolve in water. Insoluble ones are which do not dissolve in water. Soluble fibers like apple and beetroot and blackberries, they promote satiety. दे लोअर योर कोलेस्ट्रॉल, दे सपोर्ट आपके हमारे इंटेस्टाइन में, हमारे गट्स में एक फ्लोरा होती है, उसको सपोर्ट करते हैं. पोटैटोज में भी पाए जाते हैं. दे हेल्प योर फूड मूव थ्रू द गट just at the right pace. There is a term called gut motility. It is basically the speed or the way food moves in your gut. So it really promotes and helps in that. And it also feeds the beneficial bacteria in our gut. जो इनसॉल्युबल फाइबर्स हैं वो आपकी इंटेस्टाइनल हेल्थ को बहुत सपोर्ट करते हैं. आई थिंक रफली अबाउट 12 feet long is what we have our intestine, smaller intestine, through which our entire food needs to move, and it's all twisted, it's all, you know, there are a lot of turns. For our food to move through that, it needs the right amount of water, it needs the right amount of fiber, it needs the right amount of every element to move through and eliminate waste throughout our body. So insoluble fibers greatly help in supporting your intestinal health. They are found in whole wheat, leafy greens, quinoa, brown rice, and seeds. They create a bulk in your stool. So, anybody who's facing a problem of constipation should include insoluble fibers in their daily diet, and it also supports your bowel health. Next slide, please. Okay. हम strongly recommend करते हैं न्यूट्रलाइट का फाइबर because three things that it has which are very very essential to perform for it to be actually, you know, justify itself to be called a fiber. It has resistant maltodextrin, it has a root called inulin, and it has partially hydrolyzed guargum. क्या हैं ये तीन चीजें? बड़े कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नाम हैं, नाम कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हैं, काम बहुत सिंपल है. रेजिस्टेंट maltodextrin क्या करता है? एक बैक्टीरिया होता है हमारे सिस्टम में, बिफिडोबैक्टीरियम, उसकी ग्रोथ को प्रमोट करता है, विच विल हेल्प इन डाइजेशन. सेटाइटी, अ फीलिंग ऑफ, you know, feeling full, feeling you know, well fed, feeling not feeling the need to quickly eat something. It promotes satiety. आपके ब्लड ग्लूकोज को और आपके लिपिड के लेवल को रेगुलेट करता है, बहुत ज़रूरी है. मेजर परसेंटेज ऑफ इंडिया इज फेसिंग, यू नो, कोलेस्ट्रॉल रिलेटेड इश्यूज दीज डेज. जो इन्यूलिन रूट है, ये एक प्रीबायोटिक इफेक्ट होता है इसका. इट स्टिम्युलेट्स द ग्रोथ एंड एक्टिविटी. जो अच्छा बैक्टीरिया है हमारे गट में, उसको स्टिम्युलेट करता है. इट हेल्प्स इन न्यूट्रिएंट एब्जॉर्प्शन. अब खाना आप कितना भी ऑर्गेनिक खा लीजिए, नो मैटर हाउ गुड फूड यू मे हैव, बट इफ योर गट और योर बॉडी इज नॉट absorbing the nutrition from that food, there's no point of having it. That food will just get eliminated without the nutrition getting absorbed from it. So yes, it's very very important for the nutrition absorption also in your body. It produces short chain fatty acids upon fermentation. Again, also it increases satiety. It is very beneficial in managing your blood glucose and your lipid level regulation. Partially hydrolyzed guargum, it suppresses potential harmful mycolytic bacteria. बहुत ज़रूरी है जो बैड बैक्टीरिया है, जो हार्मफुल बैक्टीरिया है, उसकी ग्रोथ को सप्रेस करना. इट इम्प्रूव्स योर बाउल रेगुलरिटी सो दैट, यू नो, you're not constipated and you are eliminating your waste on a regular basis. Gut barrier function को improve करता है, and again, once again, it improves your blood sugar levels and your lipid regulation. Next slide, please. Okay. फाइबर आपकी गट हेल्थ को कैसे इम्प्रूव करता है? हमारे गट में अच्छे बैक्टीरिया भी है, हमारे गट में bad bacteria bhi hain. When we are born, we are blessed by the nature to have about 85% good bacteria, which is bacteroidetes. 15% are not so good bacteria, which are called firmicutes. As we grow older, this entire ratio of 85 to 15% gets reversed. So if we include enough fiber and we follow the gut reset for 10 days when you come onto this program, it helps create that balanced network of good and bad bacteria. ये न्यूट्रिएंट एब्जॉर्प्शन को बहुत इंक्रीज करता है. फाइबर का एक बहुत अच्छा सा, आई वाज रीडिंग टुडे, फाइबर का एक और बहुत अच्छा, इट एक्ट्स एज अ स्पंज टू एब्जॉर्ब द बैड कोलेस्ट्रॉल इन योर इंटेस्टाइन्स एंड एलिमिनेट इट नेक्स्ट डे. I think very, very, very important. So yes, it acts as a sponge. People who have, uh, what should I say? People who have uh, not so good cholesterol readings, it may be very, very important for you to increase your fiber consumption. It also acts as a prebiotic or food for good bacteria. तो हमारे सिस्टम में जो अच्छा बैक्टीरिया दिन रात काम कर रहा है, so we eat food, but what about the food for that bacteria which is doing the good job? Fiber acts as a food for that bacteria. It lowers your cholesterol, like I just said, and improves your blood sugar levels. आपकी body में inflammation को कम करता है, and it helps balance your hormones. It also passes through your system and it cleanses it. So again, it's like a sponge. It eliminates all the toxins from your body. Next slide, please. Okay, so the role of fiber in your body clock. अभी हमने देखा था कि how carbohydrate actually helps set or align your body clock. What happens when you take the right amount of fiber? How does it regulate your body clock? It will try and regulate your next food intake. So depending upon if you're taking less fiber, if you're not taking fiber, you may feel hungry much faster, you may want to eat, binge, whatever. But if you're taking optimum amount, it will give you that window of waiting till the next meal before you take your next meal. It gives you sensation of satiety. It helps control your blood sugar and your lipid profiles. It delays your gastric emptying. बहुत ज़रूरी है आपके सिस्टम को उसकी गैस्ट्रिक एम्प्टिंग को डिले करना. अदरवाइज अगेन you want to snack, you want to eat, you will resort to packet things that are coming in a packet, which are processed food, etc. So yes, if your breakfast, your morning nutrition breakfast is rich in fiber, this is how it will help you through the day in your body. Next slide, please. Okay. Yes, I wouldn't say it was very easy to make these swaps, but they were definitely worth it. And nobody is saying that you have to make this swap for the rest of your life. But if you are a little prudent in deciding that, okay, not every day is a Sunday, and let me just let Sunday be Sunday and let other days be the regular days in my life, and monitor and consume and have a daily lifestyle of doing everything in moderation, I think you will live longer and you will live healthier. So instead of having aloo paratha every day, you can probably have a paneer paratha. You can have lots of vegetable paratha with green chutney, pudina chutney, or coriander chutney, instead of sugar coated, honey coated, processed breakfast cereals. Maybe you can have dalia or porridge or suji ki kheer, with a little bit of whichever form you. And you can actually suji ki kheer if you're having nicely. You don't even need anything meetha with it. White bread, you can replace it with whole grain bread. You can have multi-grain bread. You can replace your vada pavs with idli sambar. And trust me, it's not a bad idea. White rice with brown rice. Ice cream with yogurt. Now, this is one thing I feel that, you really need to, ladies, if you're listening, for yourself and for your family, please take out 2 hours, at least in a week, to prepare your next week's family's diet chart or whatever, because your shopping list. Because if you have the right stuff with you at home, when you need to eat or when you need to serve, chances are that you will eat what you're supposed to and not what you want to. So replace your soft drinks with lime water, your fruit juice with whole fruit. Fruit juices are a big no-no. I mean, they are totally a sham, to be very honest. Whole fruit, bite into your fruit like we used to when we were kids. That's the best way to have it. Replace your fried non-vegetarian meal with grilled, boiled, roasted. They are much more tastier any which ways. Next slide, please. Okay. फूड पेयरिंग वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि किस खाने के साथ आप क्या खा रहे हो, बिकॉज इट विल इम्पैक्ट इट्स एब्जॉर्प्शन, इट विल इम्पैक्ट इट्स डाइजेशन. सो प्रोटीन पेयरिंग हाई जीआई फूड्स, हाई ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स फूड को प्रोटीन और फाइबर के साथ ज़रूर कंबाइन कीजिए. अगर आप फ्रूट्स खा रहे हैं तो मे बी इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट यू हैड सम प्रोटीन और फाइबर अलॉन्ग विद इट, सो दैट उसका ब्लड स्पाइक सॉरी शुगर स्पाइक बहुत जल्दी ना हो, डिलेड हो. यूजिंग होल grains and legumes, add non-starchy vegetables with your khana, with your meal times, using low GI alternates. And there are plenty. We just showed you a small little chart, but you can, speak to Farouk, you can check with Anayata, you can check with your food buddy, health buddy, and they can give you those options. And please, please, please opt for mindful cooking techniques. When I say mindful cooking techniques, like I just said, maybe taking out an hour once in a week to shop for what you need, what your family would need in the coming week, is also equally important. As important it is that how are you cooking, how much time is the food that you're cooking on the stove or on the gas. We usually overcook, we destroy the color, we destroy the nutrients, we destroy the taste also by overcooking. Are you cooking fresh daily or not? So simple techniques will help you go a long way. Next slide, please. Okay. फाइबर को इंक्रीज कैसे कर सकते हैं? व्हाट आर द फूड्स दैट आर रिच इन फाइबर, दैट दैट आर अवेलेबल, दैट वी सी अराउंड अस एज इट इज. होल ग्रेन्स को रिप्लेस, रिफाइंड ग्रेन्स को रिप्लेस कर दीजिए होल ग्रेन से. सो मैदा probably should be replaced with atta with choker. Most of you understand what I'm talking about. Eat more fruits and vegetables. uh, I wouldn't say snack on nuts, dried fruits, and popcorns, but yeah, probably along with your breakfast, if you're having in the morning, that's the ideal time to have probably, just about 5, 6 almonds and some seeds or fruits that you're wanting to have. Add beans and lentils to your soup, your salads and casseroles. Then when you make, sprinkle some oat bran flax seeds on your yogurt, cereals, smoothies, and salads. I mean, I see one good practice. Most of the Oriental cuisines that they do, that they make sure that they would sprinkle some flax seeds, or they would sprinkle some sesame seeds on everything that they are eating. So that increases the nutritional value of your food. Drink plenty of water. We have a different session completely on helping you understand how much water does your body need. So we'll cover it another day. Next slide, please. Okay, so with that, I hope that we've come to a better understanding of how important carbs are, how are complex carbs different from simple carbs, what exactly is glycemic index, and how is it slightly misleading, if you don't understand what the glycemic load of the food that you're eating is. We've also understood fiber, especially kids. Oftentimes, I've seen households where women are working, and this has not got anything in particular. We choose to probably adopt a simpler way, that if the kid is not having this sabzi, which could be tinda, loki, ghia, etc., we'll give them a nicer alternate. So we probably promoting them not having fiber as much. So look for more creative ways to include fiber. And with these three in place, and with these three ideally optimally on your meal plate, I'm sure your health will probably start working on a great path. And yes, a subtle reminder of shining in your life every single day. Start your day with a lot of gratitude and optimism, because just the fact that you have woken up from your bed each morning is a very big reason for you to be thankful about it. A lot of people will not be getting up tomorrow morning, as much as uh, it's a stark reality of our life. Have your nutrition daily. What are you doing for your physical nutrition for your body? What are you doing for the mental nutrition of your body? Very, very important. It's time to take a pause for the cause and think. Intentions, visualize and set your clear intentions. Please know where you want to go, because once you know where you want to go, you'll already be halfway there. Get that clarity for yourself. Sit down and spend some time for yourself to understand what is it that you exactly want to do. Learn something new every day. We talk about these trainings with you every week on week, and trust me, it's always an endeavor and an effort to tell you something new other than what we have been repeating all this while. So learn something new every day. We are humans, we are wired to learn something new. And yes, please, 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 please adopt some or the other form of exercise, whatever floats your boat. Could be dancing, could be Zumba, could be yoga, could be running, could be walking, whatever it is, could be gymming, swimming, etc. Because आप तभी तक चलोगे जब तक ये बॉडी चल रही है और ये बॉडी तभी तक चलेगी जब तक आप चल रहे हो. So I hope you've been given a better understanding, and I leave you a little more better understood on this subject than when you came in for this meeting. Over to you, Ruchita.
Thank you so much, Deepika. That was so wonderfully explained. I think we've taken our time and understood the subject thoroughly. With that, we come to an end of this session, guys. See you in the next one. Until then, good night. Stay safe and stay tuned in for the next one.